So, I totally forgot to film like an intro for this video because it was before school and I didn't really have time to. But basically this is just what it's like to have to go to school in the rain, and honestly it wasn't that bad. It's just like an inconvenience. But it's kind of just gonna be like a little school video or whatever. I am sick right now, that's why I sound like this. And I'm just gonna be honest, I'm standing in my shower because it sounds good and the walls are pretty, so that's where we are.
Holy shit. Hello everybody. Good thing you have this phone because my phone would have died in the rain.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Hi Eliana's vlog. Guys, follow my channel too,
Yeah.
because I'm the next Michelle Obama, so vote for
What
me
the
2020.
Hey guys, we're in Eliana's vlog.
That's like this. There you go.
Ew, the bell just rang. There's Eliana. We're in ASL. So, it's raining really hard.
I had
There you go.
this.
No, you did not. So it's raining right now, but like, it's okay.
Don't kill my phone, please.
Don't what?
Kill my phone.
I won't kill your phone. Oh shit!
It's okay. It's waterproof. It's waterproof.
Oh, it's
fine.
waterproof.
fine,
She
it's
got
fine.
the waterproof phone. But like, it's okay, you know.
It's
Put
really
it in
fine.
water.
Are you using your textbook to cover your head?
Freak yeah! I am about to have my hair frizzy. Fine, Alicia.
We're going our separate ways now.
Hell no.
Can I have my phone, please?
No, we gotta go get Alicia.
Ugh.
Alright? So, there's Alicia. America, say hi. Hello. Alicia, yeah, it's Eliana's vlog. Because we love a vlog.
Yeah,
queen.
Oh, God.
Well, I think it has to do with how at night, like Ellie was able to sort of not shatter, and like other people did.
Wait.
Tell her to stop being a fucking bitch.
My hair's so like matted and stuck together.
Hi. Let's get in. My hair's really frizzy though.
The whole table's wet now.
My books are wet.
Should I cut my hair?
Did you see the book I dropped in the gutter?
No, what?
Anna!
Oh my god, it looks like I have
Is it
short
a
hair.
textbook?
Well, no, it wasn't. It's my book.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
I own it, but
Oh my god.
like
Oh my
kind
god,
of
Anna.
What do you
Anna.
look like? You look like a little German boy.
I think it looked cute.
Anna tells me to cut my hair all the time. In every single, and it's not even like, it's not even to me like being like, should I cut my, oh my god, you know who I look like?
Oh.
A little bit, right?
A little bit, yeah.
Great.
Look at my hair is literally like matted together.
Mine looks fine.
Like it's like, but it's also like
Do you not have a hood?
I have this one hair right here. Look at it, and it's like all curly.
It's fun.
Who is this?
I'm cold.
I don't know. I can see. Just
That looks like Bree's member. Jessie looks crazy. Come, Jessica.
who is this?
Who are you FaceTiming?
Oh, there you go.
Oh, sorry. For some reason your name wasn't like matching with your number. She's right now, but I can send it to you later. Wait.
Ben, say hi.
I just got water inside of my shoe.
Keep going, down there.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Anna, how do you feel about the rain?
It sucks booty.
Yes, it does. My hair is literally soaking wet. It's not good. I forgot to put on my hood, so we're not doing too well, but school's almost over. We have like 15, 20 more minutes.
Yeah, but then I have to come back in an hour for practice. But yeah. Okay, go.
Hey everybody, it's Brianna Cruz back with another edition of Southern California weather. Today it is bright and sunny with a high of 99 and a low of 72. Wow.
Hey vlog. Hey. It's literally like flooding right here. And
Southern California is
there's a river.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
I like got stuck. Walk on this.
What is that?
Walk on this, everybody.
Okay.
Follow me.
I don't, Hannah, that's not a big problem at the moment. Oh.
So that was terrible. It's supposed to rain for 3 more days. That's gonna be a lot of fun because, I mean, I guess I could have tucked my hair into my hood, but my brain's not developed, so I didn't think about that. Now you know what it's like to live in California and not be prepared for the rain, because we all know it's coming, we just don't really care. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. See you later.